This is MAXP, the milk-driven astronaut expedition program. Welcome, cadet. I see you've just enrolled in an entrepreneurship program. Congratulations. I am Space Cow, the Space Emperor, and this is space. The real space government tells you nothing about. Get ready for some mind-bending adventures, unconventional lessons, and of course, the occasional existential crisis. For your mission, you'll be blending among the underground society of monks. They might seem like they're screaming for no reason, but trust me, they're just passionate about life. And you'll need to use a shovel? Yes, a shovel. To dig through the underground tunnels to find the hidden mirror. The mirror will show you your true talents and bring peace to your mind.
Cadets, it's time to get creative. Today's mission is all about divergent thinking, identifying opportunities, and using your imagination. You'll need to think outside the box, upside down, and maybe even sideways. Are you ready?